Number 22. Beautiful play by Unilo. The ball game, first quarter. Jumper, basket. Tumatakbo ang tropa. Nakagaw ng tropa. Basket. Mohamed to Sadiq. 11-10 in favor of tropa. Rojero. Kindi, 3-point shot. Basket. Switzerland. Binigay kay Ramos. Jumper by Ramos. Wala. Rebound again by Mohamed. Mohamed dribbling the ball. Coast to coast by Mohamed. Ayun ba yun, parang gawin sila eh. Number 7 to number 23, jumper. Shooter's bounce. Wala pa rin. Tumatakbo ang tropa. Basket. Nice. Front. To Digong. To Rabadon. Rabadon sumaksak. Balik kay Digong. Tumira sa 3 points. Basket. First 3-point shot by Digong. Ang sayo sumaksak. Basket. Rabadon, back to Anseo. Si Digong, tumira si Digong sa 3 points. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 7. Balik kay Digong. Tumira ulit sa basket. Second 3-point shot.
Last 1 minute. 1 minute. 16.
Sir. O, takil lang tayo, takil. Jaybird. O, Propa. Tumira sa 3 points. Wala. O, basket. 3 points by Jaybird. Umatakbo ang Uniload. Nice basket by Muhammad. Muhammad. Fast break. Basket and 1. Bonus charity for Librea. Basket. Go, angat ka lang. Angat ka lang. Jaybird, sumaksak. Basket by Jaybird. The Spitfire of Tropa. Kanina. Good.
Sab?
Power play by Muhammad. Jayward to Ramos. Ramos, drive to the basket. Wala. Rebound by Ramos. Follow up. Good. 30-20. Nice by Muhammad.
25 seconds.
Rebound by basket.
Dos.
2 points lang. Stepping up the line. Says the referee. 2-point shot by number 21. Rabadon. Moncada on the side. Basket by Moncada. 3. Side court throw-in by Uniload. Rabadon to Flores. Flores to Mira. Basket. Flores jumper. Pasok. Another basket by Ramos. Wala pa rin. Jaybird. What a beautiful play by Jaybird. Basket. Ramos to Jaybird. Basket by number 21. Digong fires on the 3-point area. Kapus. Rebound by Ramos. Umatakbo na naman ng tropa. 21. Basket. We are now tied at 45 all.
Tao! Walang bola, tao!
Angkol, dribbling the ball. Sumalpak. Binigay kay Adahar. Jumper by Adahar. Basket! Flores. Basket by Flores. Third team foul.
Third person.
Fourth team foul. Angko. Drive to the basket. Oh! Foul by Cornelio.
Penalty.
Okay, penalty. Ang off shooting naman yan.
Parehas na penalty.
Both teams are in penalty. Official time, 38.8 seconds.
Sino foul? Cornelio.
Angko, ikaw ang magprito, hindi siya Adahar. Nangingialam kayo.
Bisaya!
Jaybird, pressure at 3-point area, wala. Adahar.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Muhammad to Rabadon. Foul by number 7.
15 seconds.
15 seconds remaining. Penalty. Two charities will be awarded to Rabadon. 4-point lead by Unilode. First throw by Rabadon. Wala. Second throw. A very close fight, mga kaibigan. Second throw by Rabadon. Nothing but net. Ramos. Tumatakbo ang tropa. To Jaybird. Jaybird tries from this charity. 3-point area. Flores foul. 3 charities will be awarded to Jaybird. 3 shots. 11 seconds remaining. First throw by Jaybird. Nothing but net. Switzerland.
Dalawa.
Second throw by Jaybird. Wala.
Hindi, sa first half, dalawa lang. Second half, tatlo.
Uy, foul! Ano yung sa time na?
Foul, Jaybird.
Ano yun Tapos isang quarter.
10.7 seconds remaining.
Ano yung running time?
Running time hanggang third quarter.
First tayo to 3 quarter. Running time yun.
Tapos pagdating ng fourth quarter.
So, yun na. Yung running time natin, Brad, pag free throw, kahit na running time, pag free throw, cut yun. First throw by Flores, pasok. 53-48. Second throw by Flores. Basket. 6-point lead by Unilode, Jaybird.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Basket.
4,
3, 2.
2 seconds.
2 shots daw, 2 shots. Flores.
Nasa pa ito siya yan.
Oh, 2.7 seconds pa. May nakitira pa. 2.7.
Yung picture mamaya.
2 charities for Flores.
Kailangan makuha ko siya.
Okay, mga susunod natin maglalaban. Handa na kayo.
Doon sila.
Kailangan kuha ko yung high score. Okay, high score. Yung isa ba? Ito yung
Hindi, isa lang.
isa lang. Sa win lang.
Basket.
4 points!
Okay, shake hands mga katropa.